Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So just a quick little video here because my full-length one I accidentally deleted. But I'm doing a crew cab conversion on a C50. So everything that you need if you're interested in doing a C50 front clip, which I think they look super cool on any basically 67 to 72 Chevy truck, Blazer, whatever. And then also the difference on the crew cab. So what I did is I basically started off with a Suburban and a C50. So the C50 was a grain truck that I bought, and the Suburban, you can see here, I chopped the back half off. I'll get to that. But this right here by the rocker, that's the wheel well goes into the lower front rocker. And in these doors, you'll notice the top of the rear door is square. So on a Suburban, they're obviously square. And on a truck, as you see over here to the left, this cab, they're round. So when you put the back of the cab panel on this Suburban to make it a crew cab, you actually have to change the top of the doors because Suburbans are square, which makes the front door close into the rear door. But when you put the back of the cab, like see right here, this will actually you need to change the top of the door and then make a new glass in that stationary piece. But see this bottom of the door and the bottom of the rocker right here, that is the only difference in a C50 cab and doing the front clip from another 72 truck. See right here how it's kind of cut at an angle, and that's just from the oversized tires that these big like grain trucks run on, you know. So you can see right here with the Suburban, before I cut the back half of the Suburban off, I did like a little X-frame to reinforce all the structure just so the rear doors didn't fall in on itself. And, you know, fun fact, these Suburbans were 3 doors. They weren't 4 doors. So on the driver, what would be the rear door, they have the window regulator. Window goes up and down just like a door would. But they didn't want kids getting out on the driver's side of the street. So that's why they only made them a 3 door. So I'll actually turn it back into a 4 door. And then here's the Suburban that I chopped up. Another little fun fact. See right there? All floors on Suburbans from the 50s, 60s, 70s are wood, you know? So this thing just got butchered up. It was hit real hard in the right front, so it was like the perfect donor that I wanted. So I ended up just, you know, basically pulling the front clip on it, chopping it in half. Took a couple of the frame mounts just so, you know, I can have the frame mounts for the rear of the cab for my C50. But this is the Suburban when I bought it. I think I paid like $3,800 for it or something like that, you know, which was a good deal. And then this is this was a video, but like I said, I got it deleted. This was a super cool video of me actually raising the body off of the Suburban, and it just sucks that I deleted everything. So you just have to bear with me here. But the next video I have, this truck is basically going to get a Duramax, Allison, you know, King shocks, just crazy stuff, 4x conversion. So right now I'm just doing all the sheet metal work. So basically, here's the cab from the Suburban when I lifted it up before I put it on the truck, you know, just getting everything kind of sized up. And my little 2-post lift in my shop, man, this thing was working overtime. You know, it's such a great tool to have, you know, but there's the poor carcass of the Suburban. So here's the truck that I bought, the C50. And when I bought it, it had a hydraulic dump bed on it. I ended up selling the dump bed for like $500. And then I basically, you know, just after the front clip and everything on it. So here's the front clip on it, you know, such a great picture. Cool truck. It's been a wish list truck of mine for a long time, so this is a personal project. But anyway, sorry for such a short video, but hopefully you guys stay tuned. The next video will be much better edited and fully in its detail of everything that I got going on with it. So thank you for watching.